നമ്പർ 1 ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടായ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കഫേയോടൊപ്പം പേഴ്സണൽ ട്രെയിനറുടെ സഹായത്തോടെ വാട്സ്ആപ്പ് വഴി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പഠിക്കാം. കൂടുതൽ വിവരങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ.
നമ്മൾ സിനിമയാക്കും.
വേറെ എന്ത് വേണമെങ്കിലും എഴുതാം. ഈ റൊമാൻസും ഫാമിലി ഡ്രാമയൊന്നും എനിക്ക് ഓടൂല.
Kurdi for me, it's a very, very personal film. It's a very, very special film.
For me, the most exciting part about this film has been the cast and the crew that worked on it. I had a lot of fun shooting this film with these people. Anytime a film is that much fun to make, it gets you really hopeful that it's going to be a lot of fun for people to watch.
And I knew from the beginning that Kurdi is all about performances. It is about casting the right actor for the right role.
Let's hear a few words from the heart and the soul of the film, the ones who made it all possible. Prithviraj sir, request to share a few words with our friends from the media who joined us here.
Firstly, thank you all to my friends in the media for coming and joining us in this Kurdi press meet. And like Vijay rightly mentioned, the press and the media has always supported cinema. And over the past 1.5 to 2 years, cinema, as we know, has been not the same. In the sense that how we perceive, how we see content, how we get to discover content is completely changed because of what has been happening around us. So thank you once again for joining us. And like Vijay said, Amazon and me, we now have what we can confidently call a long-standing relationship. And it is indeed the case that today, Amazon is pretty much a showcase of some of the best of Malayalam cinema. And I think a lot about how Malayalam cinema is now no longer cinema just for Malayalis. A lot about that, the credit should go to Amazon Prime Video. I know for a fact that there are people who have discovered Malayalam cinema and who have become fans of Malayalam cinema through Amazon Prime Video. And I hope that Kurdi propagates that trend even further. There are films. All of us do many films. Over the years, I've done many films, and then there are these films that you get attached to. There are these certain pieces of cinema that strike something within you. Now, being the producer of this film, it will just seem like I'm saying this because I know I produce this content. But even if I were not, even if I was just playing a part as an actor alone in Kurdi, this film would have been special. This is the kind of content that it is, the kind of cinema that it is, the kind of film that we have managed to make. Kurdi for me, it's a very, very personal film. It's a very, very special film. And given the circumstances, I do not think this film could have gotten a better stage than Amazon Prime Video as Kerala's big Onam release. The thing is with us Malayalis, Onam is always about going to cinema theaters, watching a film with your family, then coming back and having their Onam Sadhya. It's always been that from childhood. It's been that. So this year, like Vijay rightly said, since we will not be able to go to cinema theaters, Amazon Prime Video is bringing cinema theaters to your home. And the big Onam film that Malayalis hopefully will watch with their family this year will be Kurdi. Thank you once again for joining me.
Now we have with us Manu Warrior, the director of the film. Manu, a few words for our friends from the media.
Yeah, hi everybody. So I'm quite happy that all of you guys are here to kind of, witness the trailer. I'm quite thrilled that, and most of the points Vijay sir and Prithvi has kind of covered, that it's Malayalam content that is kind of getting exciting over the rest of the world. And it is something that is a very exciting time overall in the space of films itself. So that's without much, going on and on about what all it is. I would like to say that, I'm very excited that the whole world will be pretty much celebrating Onam with us because, Kurdi is coming out. So I'll just, cut short my thing, and I think we should move ahead. And I'm quite excited that everyone could see the trailer now.
I know we all are eagerly waiting for and wishing you all the best for your first directorial debut in Malayalam cinema.
Thank you.
Also have Roshan Matthew. If you could join us on screen and say a few words for the media. Hi, Roshan. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you to all of you who are here. I'm really happy right now to see everyone again. So for me, the most exciting part about this film has been the cast and the crew that worked on it. And the reason why I'm excited about this release is also because I had a lot of fun shooting this film with these people. I went into it excited and very nervous. And actually a couple of us were talking the other day, and we were discussing how now that shoot has been done, and it's been like maybe 6-7 months since we wrapped, the only things that come to mind when we think about how shoot went is purely just like the mad amount of fun that it was. So anytime a film is that much fun to make, it gets you really hopeful that it's going to be a lot of fun for people to watch. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm glad I got to see almost all of my cast members here. And also very happy that there's going to be an actual Onam release this year, and people are going to be celebrating our little big festival with us all over the world thanks to Amazon. So yeah.
Thank you, Roshan. As you said, the journey has been mad, and the posters already created madness around, and we're looking forward to it. So thank you. We also have the few more pillars of the film, Murli, Gopi, Shrinda, and Shine Tom Chako. If you could have them on screen, and request you all to say a few words to the media. And Murli, starting with Murli, sir.
Yeah, it feels nice to present our movie on Amazon Prime, and it feels great to see you all after a long time. Great.
Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Shrinda, hi.
Hi, I'm very excited and happy about this. Like, as Roshan said, that we spoke a few days back, how I miss, being on sets of Kuruthi. I had so much fun, and I can't really wait to watch it. I'm waiting for August 11th, and I'm really waiting to see the trailer. I'm thrilled. Yeah.
Shine, sir, a few words from your side, please.
ഞാൻ ആലോചിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഇതെങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ മലയാളത്തിലാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്
Please.
2020 കൊറോണ വന്നു, ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ ആയി, തിയേറ്റേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഷട്ട് ഡൗൺ ആയി. ആമസോൺ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ വന്ന് പ്ലേസ് ആയി, കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഓഡിയൻസിനെ നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ചിത്രങ്ങൾ മിസ്സാവാതെ അവരുടെ ഇടയിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാൻ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വന്ന് പ്ലേസ് ആയി. ഇതിപ്പോ 2 വർഷം മുന്നെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 വർഷം ലേറ്റോ ആവുകയോ ചെയ്തില്ല. കറക്റ്റ് ആ സമയത്ത് OTT പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോംസ് വന്നു. നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഓണത്തിന് നമ്മൾ തിയേറ്ററിൽ പോയി പടം കാണാറുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ പറ്റില്ല. പക്ഷെ ആളുകൾക്ക് ഇന്നും ഓണത്തിൻ്റെതായിട്ടുള്ള പടങ്ങൾ അവർക്ക് കാണാം ആമസോൺ വഴിയും നെറ്റ്ഫ്ലിക്സ് വഴിയും ഒക്കെ. അത് വലിയൊരു ഭാഗ്യമാണ്. നമ്മളെപ്പോലുള്ള ആക്ടേഴ്സിന് മൂവീസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാനും അത് ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള പ്രചോദനം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് ആളുകളിലേക്ക് എത്തുമ്പോഴും ആളുകൾ കാണുമ്പോഴും അവരുടെ അഭിപ്രായം അറിയുമ്പോഴും. അതിന് ആമസോൺ പോലെയുള്ള പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോംസ് വളരെയധികം ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ഒരു ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ച്, ഫിലിം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി. അപ്പോൾ വെരി താങ്ക്ഫുൾ ടു ആമസോൺ. കുരുതി ഓണം റിലീസായിട്ട് പ്രേക്ഷകർക്കല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. താങ്ക് യു.
Shine, sir, thank you so much. And thankfully, I've been watching a few of the Malayalam movies on Amazon Prime Video. So I've also started learning, and I have a wife who's Malayali, so happens to. So in a nutshell, if I could say that, and correct me, Shrinda and Murli sir, that this is the right time. In the past 1.5 years, the pandemic is ongoing, and we can't step out. We have to follow the protocol. And the best time to release a film is this OTT platform, which is Amazon Prime Video, where people get to see this magic, powerful thriller film onto the screens, right?
Yeah, we can celebrate Onam, safely at home watching Kuruthi at Amazon Prime. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to it. I'm sure this project is very special to you. Your thoughts on it launching on Amazon Prime Video for the global audience?
Yeah, so Vijay has been really kind, and I agree that Malayalam is traditionally known to make great content, and we are going through what I would like to call as a great phase where consistently coming up with really good content and executing it well. But Vijay has been really kind on putting all the credit on the creators and not taking anything for Amazon Prime Video itself. Because it is not that Malayalam cinema just recently, a couple of years back, decided one fine day we will now make content that will travel the world. We've always been making content like that. I believe Amazon Prime Video has given us a showcase, a platform where the world can now discover us. This whole conversation around Malayalam cinema, everything about that conversation might be very new to somebody who's not been following Malayalam cinema, who's been for whom Malayalam cinema has been a recent discovery. But for us, it is just that we have now finally got a platform where we can put our content on, we can put our talent on, we can showcase our skill, our technicians, our writers, our directors, and tell the world, there's a small industry where we really punch much above our weight. So that way, I should be thankful to Amazon Prime Video too for giving us this opportunity. Kuruthi, interestingly, is a year back, I was under quarantine after having tested positive for COVID. and I had this huge backlog of scripts that I had not read. And among the scripts, I started picking the smaller ones first, to read while I was in quarantine. And there was a small little synopsis that I read, and I immediately thought, hey, hang on, how did I miss this? So then I got in touch with Manu and I said, I don't remember when you sent me this or who you are, but I'd like us to talk on this. So then Manu came, we spoke on what was essentially the core idea of Kuruthi. And Anish, our writer, sent me the first draft of Kuruthi, which Manu and Anish will agree was quite different from now. And then all of us sat down and we made our vision, all our visions align. So finally, Manu and Anish got together and wrote what is Kuruthi today. And then the challenge was executing the film. And I knew from the beginning that Kuruthi is all about performances. It is about casting the right actor for the right role. And I had told Manu that it might take longer than we like. But unless and until I get the best actors for the correct roles in this film, I don't think I want to go on floors. But as luck would have it, Roshan was the first person I reached out to. He immediately agreed. Srinta agreed. Murli agreed. I don't think I've gone to a second option for any character in this film. So it's all been everybody who heard the story or heard the narration from Anish. They immediately said, we want to do this. So it was all very quick. The final draft was written. We went on floors in under 3 weeks, and we shot the film under a month. We post-produced it very, very fast, and we were so excited about what we had created. And then this wait, for not being able to bring this film to the theaters, that has been the most frustrating of the entire process. And there again, my life partner in cinema now, as my wife would say, Amazon Prime Video came to rescue me and said, give us the film. So I'm happy. I'm glad that it is Amazon Prime Video, because in 240 plus territories, for people to sit back this Onam and watch what is our labor of love in ultra high resolution with great sound, nothing more you could ask for.
So was it tough being an actor and a producer at the same time, handling two roles?
I've never been an actor and a producer. I take decisions on the creative side. The check needs to be signed by my wife, so she takes care of that. Being an actor and a producer has never really been a botheration for me. Being an actor and a director is slightly tough, like what I'm doing right now. I'm shooting a film called Bro Daddy, where I'm also playing a full-length role and I'm directing the film. That is tough. I have newfound respect for legends like Clint Eastwood and Bhagrath sir and Balachandra Menon sir and all these legends. So,
so wishing you all the best. You become a multitasker. So
thank you. I hope I don't disappoint.
Hi, Roshan.
Hi.
Hi. A hardcore action movie which promises a lot of rage and intense emotions. Tell us a bit about your character.
I play this character called Ibrahim. He's been among the most complex characters that I've been trusted with, which is also the reason why I said I was nervous going into the shoot for this film, because when Prithvi first narrated the script to me, so I'm not gonna tell you a lot about my character, because like it was mentioned before, I think a lot of the fun in the movie sort of comes when you know as little as possible about these people. As the movie unfolds, almost all of them are constantly being questioned about who they are and what they stand for. So it'll just be great if you discover who they are then. Ibrahim's gone through a pretty horrific tragedy in his life in the recent past, has lost almost everything that he was living for, and is finding some sort of meaning to continue living, or some sort of purpose to continue living. And that's where Kuruthi begins, and everything that happens from then on is basically the movie from Ibrahim's perspective. And I still remember when I was sitting in Prithvi's house, the movie was being narrated to me for the first time ever, and all of these characters left a huge mark on me through the narration itself. And then after the narration, he was telling me sort of who are the actors that he had in mind for each part. And with every name that he brought up for each character, I was thinking, oh, boom, that's a perfect fit. That'll be incredible, if this particular actor comes in. And apart from Prithvi, I haven't worked with any of the other actors who are in Kuruthi with me. And they're all actors whom I've watched the work of and have been really excited to, been wanting to work with. So almost everyone sounded like a perfect fit. And then he said, so this is the character I want you to play. And that's the only one where I was thinking, oh, really? I don't know if I'll be able to, because it really wasn't, it was very, very distant from who I am, what I've been through. And I honestly was scared, but that's sort of what made it such a rewarding experience for me, I think, shooting this film.
Well, this is not the first time you've teamed up with Prithviraj sir, and we've seen both of you come together in a lot of projects which have created the magic. How was this experience different? Any memorable anecdotes from the shoot experience?
Yeah, we share a great rapport creatively. There is a great camaraderie between us. So it is bound to translate on screen in all the projects that we have done so far and the projects that we are going to do. Till now, we have done 3 projects. It started off with 2016 film Tian. Then, of course, came Lucifer. And now Kurudi. These 3 films are totally different in terms of genre, in terms of the narrative pattern. When it comes to Kurudi, I think it is a candid piece of cinema, very incisive, very intuitive, and it actually holds a mirror to ourselves. It trains a mirror on ourselves, and both on an individual plane and as a people. So it was a great movie to work on, and I think it will be counted in as one of the most important films of recent times.
Thank you so much, sir, and all the best for that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I would request Shrinda to join us. Shrinda,
Hi.
welcome back.
Hi.
Shrinda, Nalla Sundari Aya Kaivalu Nadiyana. Did I say that right?
Thank you. I'm flattered.
Welcome back, and you're looking indeed very, very beautiful. Shrinda, Kurudi looks like such a promising film. From the trailer itself, we can sense that it has an absolutely gripping storyline, and of course, it's filled with talented stars. How do you feel when this film came your way?
I was happy and excited at the same time. And as you said, that Kurudi has a very gripping storyline, and for me, Sumati was something that I have never done before. Her character is layered, and she's so interesting. So I have never done such a character before. So for me, it was exciting, and I was like, I was very happy when I heard that Prithvi suggested me for this character. You know, as an actor, it actually lifted me a lot more ways, and you know, as I'm really excited after watching the trailer. I can't wait to watch the movie. So yeah, you know, the story, the character, everything was on point, and working with amazing, you know, talented people over there, like working with Mamuka, working with Prithvi, Roshan, everyone. It was like every day when I go to set, I was like learning, you know, unlearning a lot of stuff and learning new things. You know, I've unlearned a lot of things what I have done before, and it was actually so much new to me. So Kurudi was actually a refreshing, you know, as an actor. It helped me a lot. So yeah, I'm excited.
Thank you. And as Roshan mentioned about energy, we can see the energy in you as well. Thanks to Prithviraj sir, that's come in, the excitement in you. Wishing you all the best, and thank you so much. Thank you.